Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and look for the option called Watch Settings. Then tap on it. Here scroll through the settings menu and look for the option called the System. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. Now find the option called Language, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. And right now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, look for the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. And now the language should be applied, as you can see. You can also change the language through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So I'm gonna bring the phone that is paired with my watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay, maybe a bit too much. Let's zoom it a bit. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the GARMIN Connect application. So let's find the icon and tap on it. In the app, you should see the home page. You can tap on More. You can tap on Garmin devices. And then on the list of devices, you can select your Forerunner 570. Here you can scroll down, tap on System, Language, and now you can scroll through the list, find the language you like, tap on it, and the language should be applied after a few seconds. Okay, and then you can close the app, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.